Good evening, my lovelies. Give you a rest from the box openings for now. I've still got plenty to do. I thought I'd start off doing these. Just a few I picked out of the boxes. As promised in the last video, this is the main one I want to get done. And tonight we'll see how many I can get done. Each have their own issues. From worn down tip that's almost chisel like to rounded over. Obviously this big beauty. The only issue with this one is old woodworm, and it is old. I have tapped it. This one, I don't know if you can see that, but it's bent. This one seems to be alright. Some of these I don't know if there's a marking. Like for instance this one, I know it's got British made. Whether there's any more I don't know. And this one, is that bent or is that my eyesight? Oh, it is bent. So few issues, not a lot. Bit of paint, bit of don't know what this is, putty probably. Obviously someone's used that as a stirring stick. It's got R, I assume that's an N and an F there, but I think that's been stamped by the owner. This one's got a slight issue. As you can see there, it's sunken and that's protruding, so it needs to have a gentle persuasion to go that way. I've never done a screwdriver before, so it's a bit loose as well. I've never done a screwdriver before, so wish me luck. I'll speak to you in a minute. Right, back again. Bit of a sand and a wire wheel. And now I'm gonna get rid of a few of the, I don't think I'll be able to get rid of all the pits. And it's, well, I'm not going to do a shine, but I will do a finish. It's actually a lovely colour. Definitely gunmetal grey. Good quality steel. No marks, no branding. You can see where they've used pipe wrench grips just there. I will get that out. But no, beautiful screwdriver. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Right, me again. I think it turned out alright. There's a few deep pits. And I did notice there is a stamp by the previous owner. Looks like LF. Handle turned out nice. I did want to polish. It's got a nice grip to it. And for all intents and purposes, this is a keeper for me, and it'll be a worker. Filled in all the woodworm. The handle's too rigid, so it wasn't worth replacing just for a few holes. And at the end of the day, you know, how old is it? Excuse me. And it's, you know, it's 18, you can't see that, it's give or take 18 inches long. So no, very nice. Like I said, I didn't want to polish. This is a worker. It's had a clean. It's good as new as far as I'm concerned. I'll probably give this another coat, just one more coat. Yeah, it's a bit tacky at the moment. So I might pop that in the lathe just to polish it up. But yes, I like this one. I don't know why it's stepped. I don't know if that's been put into there. This one is one piece. I did lose some of the step, but where are you? There you are. I did lose some of the step. But no, very pleased. And I'll get on with the rest now. Speak to you soon. Right, back again. And what do you think of these then? Not the best. I did find a name. Signal. Sheffield, I think that says. I haven't heard of them, but that doesn't mean anything. This is the only one I haven't done yet, but I have lacquered the handle. I want you to see the difference, the contrast. I think they came out alright. I'm pleased. As my school reports used to say, could do better. But no, overall I'm pleased. Like I said, they are going to be, well, some of them are going to be workers. Well, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy the video. And more restorations before more box openings. Please like, subscribe, share, etc, etc. I want to get off this step of 122 subscribers. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon.